Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2013 Infiniti JX35. We don't see too many of these pre-owned JX35s. They're few and far between. Luckily we came across this nice one owner clean Carfax one from sunny California. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. 2012 was the first year of the JX35 and this is its second year in 2013. Eventually it evolved into the QX60 without too many differences. Infiniti kind of confused a lot of people and revamped all their model names in 2014. So they changed the name of the JX35 to QX60 in 2014, and really that's the only thing that changed was the name. It's pretty much identical to a 2014 or 2015 QX60. In 2016 they gave its first facelift, so they restyled the front, the rear, and the inside a little bit. In 2017 they upgraded the QX60 to direct injection, so it makes 30 more horsepower. Other than that, all the way up to 2021, don't tell our new Infiniti customers this, but a JX35 really isn't a whole lot different than a 2020 or 2021 QX60. It's about 90% the same. There's a few new features and technology available on the QX60, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and things like that. But other than that, aside from the restyling, the direct injection on the engine, 30 more horsepower, all the features and technology are pretty much the same as what you get on this 2013, because this one is fully loaded. It's as loaded as you can get for 2013. You have blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, you have forward collision warning, you have distance control assist, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, you have backup collision intervention, a lot of great features and technology. We also have a second row moonroof. This has the technology package, the Deluxe touring package. So you have a glass roof panel there for the second and third row. Then you have a moonroof here. You have heated and cooled front seats. This one has a navigation package. You have a 360-degree around view camera. Great for low speed maneuvering. Heated steering wheel. Also with the Deluxe touring package, you get these upgraded 20-inch wheels. 18-inch wheels are standard. This one also features a rear entertainment center or system. Also features a second row outbound heated seats. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good, and it's ready for a new home. So a similarly equipped brand new QX60 would have an MSRP a little north of $60,000. So like I said, if you like the options and color combination, this is a great one to consider. It's one owner clean Carfax, and also the mileage is fairly low for 2013. This one has 51,706 miles. A lot of the 2013 GX35s I see for sale have over 80,000 miles, some close to 100,000 miles, so very low miles. Really nice color combination. This one features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Roof rail crossbars, HID lights for great nighttime visibility. And one of the best parts of the JX35/QX60 is the engine. You have this award-winning VQ35 engine. These are 300,000 mile motors. I've been with Infiniti 16 years. I've seen a lot of these engines go 200, 300,000 miles. Don't take my word for it. You can go online and see all the great accolades this engine gets. My 2005 G35 has a version of this engine and it's still running amazing. In the JX35 it makes 265 horsepower. Not a heavy vehicle, obviously it's not a high performance automobile. It's a luxury crossover, so 265 horsepower is more than enough power for this vehicle for accelerating, merging on the highway. You have really nice handling, very pleasant to drive vehicle. If you're in the market for a mid-size luxury crossover, this one's definitely worth a look. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.